Hey guys, it's me, Felicia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I am long due in several weeks post my retie. I'm due for wash and all of the above, but just a little quick maintenance tip for you guys that I've tried and it's like worked wonders. No tools, no water, no nothing, just your fingers, okay? So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick what I've been doing to get that fresh look in between my retie. And I'm not doing it often, just right before church, or if you're going out and you want your hair to look neat and refined or refreshed, you can try this too. So I got a part here already sectioned off, and if you can see, the new growth is real, right? But I'm just gonna take my fingers, and if you don't see me looking directly at you, I apologize, guys. I'm with you. You matter to me, for real. So I'm just parting my hair off here. Just with my hands, I'm removing any sparse hairs that I see. I want to keep everything nice and together. I've already twisted this first one here, so I'm just gonna roll with the second one. And what I want to do with my fingers, just remove any hairs that don't belong in the part. I'm going to hold my roots taut and I'm going to twist it forward. Okay? And I'm twisting it forward. And I'm literally just using my fingers here to twist forward and back, forward and backwards. Not even all the way down, just partially. And guess what I'm doing with that? I ain't using no clips. I'm gonna use this ear right on over here and tuck and hold it. Got it, guys? Try it with me. So if you got some new growth going on and you want to give this a shot to see how it works for you, leave me a message in the comments section below to let me know how it works for you. So I'm gathering again, holding the roots taut, and I am twirling to the front. It's kind of like running your finger forward and backwards, like you rolling. And if you're a palm roller, you can do it too. On Microlocs, these little bitty locks, it's a little harder to do that to me, but you can do that as well. And then place it behind your ear or underneath another section of your hair. Should work the same. But just so far, you could tell the difference. And here we go again. Do one more. And as you guys watch, I've been debating on starting to retwist my hair as opposed to retying. I have several reasons, but one reason is I'm getting the itch to do something different. Like, don't get mad at me. But should I decide to cut my hair off? Yeah, I said it. I said I'm getting an itch for like a pixie cut or something like that. But should I decide? I feel like if I retwist it, I'll have more new growth or hair to work with at the root. Should I decide later on down the road to cut off my locks? I mean, it's just a thought. I'm just, thinking of some things out loud with you guys. Although I feel like this is the best protective long-term style that I've had in my entire natural hair journey, I'm still not locked. I'm like still working through just, my personal feelings about my hair, not giving up on my lock journey. I'm just, at this phase of my life, just, considering other avenues with my hair. And thought to do that. And then also, as my hair is going through the locking stages, I feel like the condensing phase of it, like, you know, it was nice and juicy in the beginning with my 2-strand twist, and then now they're like getting more slender. And I feel like with my 2-point rotation, sometimes I find holes in my locks and things to correct, but also like on the ends, there's still, you know, I could still see the twist pattern in some areas, still experiencing unraveling. You know, I have my big hair don't care moments, and then sometimes as my hair get older, it'll just fall. I already have kind of like a narrow face, so I'm losing volume. So I've been rocking like a braid out, which is, it's been perfect for adding volume to your hair and a little crinkled look. So I have a video to drop for you guys to show you how I achieved that look. So a few things to come, but just wanted to show you just really quickly the finished look. And then I want to show you in comparison to the next section that hasn't been done. So before and after. Before and after. And then I'm gonna remove them, and they still hold. I removed it from behind my ear, and they are still holding. If you try this, you know, section your hair off where you prefer. I usually wear my hair to the side, maybe not this far over, but like my middle row, I did a little bit over here already, but sometimes I like to switch it up. So, you know, based on your personal part and preferences, or if it's like at the top of your hair, you're trying to pull your hair back, just focus on the parameters or the areas in which you feel is going to give you a neater look. So, and I'm going to throw on my bonnet, y'all, and I am going to sleep. New subscribers, I'm so happy to have you, returning subscribers. Y'all, thank you for rocking with me. I'm gonna let y'all go, but I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace and love, guys.